In a vibrant forest, creatures of all kinds lived in harmony. A chameleon, blending with leaves, whispered, "Adapt to survive." Nearby, a butterfly with eye spots on its wings declared, "Appear fierce to deter." A stick insect, mimicking twigs, advised, "Become invisible to stay safe." Each creature had its unique way of evading danger, teaching that adaptation is key to survival. "We must learn from nature," they agreed, embracing their differences. The forest thrived, a testament to resilience and unity. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.